So the plan for today is we're gonna do some chicken in the pit barrel cooker. So of course I got to have a fire. Start out putting some charcoal briquettes in here. I'm gonna leave out. I'm not gonna quite fill it up. Normally, everybody tells you to fill it up, take some out, put in here, but why am I gonna handle them twice? I fill this about half to 3/4 the way full. I think that's all you need. I got my basket. I got it basically full on this side and just a few on this side. I'm gonna put this side on the same side as my vent. And when I dump my charcoal in, I'm gonna dump it in onto the vent side. Well, I mean, when I dump in the burning charcoal, because I already have charcoal in there. Anyway, I gotta get back in the hang of filming stuff. We've got to get the charcoal going. I'm going to use one of these little fuzzy things. I think they're pretty cool. They work really great. There we go. So I'm cooking with propane. So our fire's looking pretty good. We're going to put it in here. And we're going to put it on the vent side. Go ahead and put our rebar in. I'm not using the grate today. Put our lid on and we'll let that kind of get going. Just to upset the YouTube food police, raw chicken, my finger. Should I touch the chicken? All right, so all kidding aside, I do have my station set up right here by my sink. I got everything I'm gonna need. I got my oil, I got my hooks. So that, and then there's even a trash can like right here, right? So whenever I get done, it's easy. I don't want to get chicken juice all over my kitchen. The rub that I'm using today is something that I've made up. It's my smoked chicken rub, and I will include a link over to the recipe on my blog if you're interested. Now my chicken, I'm gonna put some olive oil on my chicken. This is gonna be my binder. I'm gonna put this on both sides. I'm gonna keep this hand clean for the moment. Rub this around. I got a dirty hand, a clean hand. Right now, my seasoning rub, I'm using my clean hand, but it's probably all gonna wind up dirty here before we get done. Flip these over, get the other side. I am going to hang these with our hooks today. So I'm taking a hook, coming down here, getting under that breastbone. Now I'm just going to do that to the rest of them. I've got my 2 temperature probes routed out through the rebar port. We're going to hang our chicken. One of my probes is set up right there in the chicken breast. That way we can cook at the temperature. One of my probes is just laying here on this rebar, getting me a barrel temperature. Got some room between them. There we go. Put the lid on. My dual zone temperatures probe set up. My barrel temperature is kind of coming up. It's a little slow, probably a little low on the end. Normally I like to cook around 250 plus or minus 25, so 225 to 275. And my chicken temperature is currently at 65 degrees F, and we're shooting for 165, which is considered a safe temperature for chicken. So the YouTube food police can kind of calm down a little bit, but I did almost touch raw chicken. I mean, come on. Look at here, 165. Let's go ahead and get these probes out of here.